Instructions are what they're called in PLC, where they're basically like blocks of code to perform some sort of function. There are those differences, but overall, structured text has way more commands than you ever have in a PLC. And then when it comes to robot code, a lot of robot code is structured text programming in like a canned form. So you have like an if statement, and then it forces you to use like, hey, here's the things that you can use for this if statement. Here's the outputs that you can use for this if statement. When it comes to robot programming, you should almost instantaneously be able to pick it up. Obviously, your syntax is probably going to be different, but overall, the grand scheme of things, the programming is very, very similar. And if you're looking to get in the industrial automation space, I would 110% say do it. It's going to be a growing industry, and I really think people with that software engineering background are really some of the most powerful people in our industry, because they understand a lot of what goes on in the background and like what is going on a hardware level, and what the device is actually doing. And you can really start doing some really powerful programming and doing some custom programming, which you don't necessarily have to do a lot of, but it opens up some doors to be able to do some really cool things with different equipment. So